Vlogmas. Got some new packages in the mail, one from Rare Beauty and one from Glossier, or is it Glossier? I don't know. Ryan and I ordered them for me for like a birthday present. We're gonna unbox them together. Don't tell my followers on TikTok because I'm going to film a legit unboxing with them trying these products out tomorrow. Can't wait any longer. Like, I just want to try them with you guys and I'll pretend to open them later. If you're here, you get the more exclusive stuff. I figured in today's vlog, I will just take you along with Ryan and I. We're doing our last bit of Christmas shopping because I really want to wrap everything tomorrow and I'm going to vlog that for you guys too. It's going to be its whole own video. Here's Glossier. Came with this cute little paper. Love that. If you guys have watched any of my Vlogmas videos, you've probably seen this. This is the Glossier birthday balm and it is like the best stuff I've ever had. So I saw they had a hot chocolate one. We're gonna try this. I can't wait. This is like limited edition and I'm very excited. I think Glossier had this little sale where if you buy 2 of their cheek, they're called cloud paints. I got 2 for like less than $40. I think it was like $35 for 2 of them rather than like 20 each or something. But I got the colors Beam and Puff. So we're gonna definitely try these out. Rare Beauty. Cute. Package is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look, they gave me a little bag and everything. That's so cute. The more I learn about Rare Beauty, the more I love it. Anyways, I got 3 full-size products. One's the blush, one's the highlighter, and one is the liquid bronzer. They had a bundle deal where you get a full-size blush, highlighter, and contour. I think it was $50 some for all 3 rather than like $75. I'm going to test all of this stuff out while I'm getting ready here, and I think the first thing I need to try is this Glossier Hot Cocoa Balm. Oh my god. Goodbye. Okay, new favorite thing in the entire world. Be putting everything back in its box and away nicely as I'm using it so that I can film this nicely tomorrow. But wow, is that amazing or what? This is your sign to go buy that right now before you can't anymore because it's limited edition. We're gonna try the Glossier blushes. I have basically 3 different blushes to try because I have the Rare Beauty one as well. So we're just gonna try all of them. We have Puff from Glossier. Looks like this. She's so cute. Here's what she looks like. Let's see. Okay, it looks like it blends out pretty nice. Actually, you need quite a bit. Ooh, I love the color. Okay, I put a little too much on that time. Here's my little brush I use for blush. Okay, I knew I would love that. Wow, it looks so much better in person, you guys. I don't have the right lighting right now. I'm gonna try this Beam one next. It looks a little bit more orangey. This is what it looks like. This is what she looks like. Okay, it's definitely gonna be a little bit like darker, I feel like. Okay, it's honestly not that much different. I don't know if you guys can you see the difference? There's not too much of a difference there. It's definitely a little bit more orangey where this one's a little bit more pink. So if I had to pick a favorite, it would be this one. Did just get this Rare Beauty blush in the shade Believe, and I love it. It's definitely like a darker color, but I got the Hope one. So here's like the shade comparison. This is Believe, this is Hope. I love the Rare Beauty blushes because they're so pigmented. Now, I'm gonna put it on this side because it will give me that pinkish color back that I need. And I'm putting foundation over this, so it's fine. Yeah, I love. Oh, yes. Okay. Well, I knew I was gonna love this. I already did. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Miss Selena Gomez, you rule. No one can say differently. Now for the Rare Beauty bronzer stick and the highlight. So let's try this bronzer stick. I got the Always Sunny color. Ooh, okay. This is really pretty. So pretty. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, okay. I feel like I'm gonna really like this. Glides on so nicely, you guys. Oh my god, I love that. I'm obsessed. I really feel like I picked a great color and it glides on like butter smooth and it blends out so nice. Lastly, the highlighter I got in the shade Mesmerize. I think it's like more of a pinky color. Look at her. Oh my god, she's thick. I did not expect this to be this big. It's like a pink champagne color. I am shook to my core. I'm obsessed, period. I'm gonna go on top with some foundation now so that I don't look like a clown. Now, let me explain what we're doing. Like I said, we are going to finish some errands. like I said, we have to finish getting Christmas presents for people because I want to wrap everything tomorrow and just be done with it. I wanted to wait so that I could film it for you guys and put it on my channel. I have to go do Target, Sam's Club, TJ Maxx, and we have to go to Aldi and the Dollar Tree. So we have to go 5 different places. I'm gonna go very simple with the eyebrows and the eyes because I don't really care. We're gonna be coming home and probably getting some chores done. Just running errands. I'm leaving my hair like this. Gonna spray my favorite body spray in the whole world, the Sol de Janeiro 71.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations. My bag is taking it slow on working time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his real life.
Okay, next stop, Aldi. We just need a few little things. And then we're gonna go home, put the groceries away. And then our last stop will be the Dollar Tree to get some wrapping type of stuff. Time to go to the Dollar Tree. It's about 8:30 at night. We're very tired. We haven't eaten dinner yet. We're gonna see what kind of gift wrapping stuff that we could get. And then when we get home, I'll probably give you guys a tiny haul. Let's go. I'm actually kind of excited because I feel like there's a lot of gems at the Dollar Tree. I kind of like to go there. It's like a treasure hunt, just like thrifting. But anyway, see you there. Okay, we're back home from the Dollar Tree and we got a lot of stuff. The Dollar Tree is either hit or miss. Like, you're gonna find so many gems there, or you're gonna find like basically nothing. This time was a hit. I'm gonna give you a really quick haul. It is my Poppy's birthday and Christmas in the same span of 4 days. I love to make baskets for people for pretty much every occasion possible. I thought it would be really cute to get him this big like popcorn bucket and fill it with a bunch of movie snacks and movies and things like that. So we got him like pretzels, we got him different popcorn, Swedish fish, Charleston chew, corn nuts, Kit Kats, peppermints, Reese's, Chips Ahoy, regular and vanilla Oreos. Okay, speaking of my Poppy, we got him this big gift bag. Hopefully this fits in there, but if it doesn't, we'll just save this for whoever's birthday is next and find like a bigger bag to put it in. If you guys didn't know, the Dollar Tree does have movies. Sometimes they even have Blu-ray ones, some good ones. I got my Poppy some movies to watch because he's an older man. He's by himself now that my grandmother passed away. I think it would be nice to get him like a big movie box bundle. We also got him a really cute thing from TJ Maxx, like a nicer, more expensive type of gift, of course, but I thought this would be cute to give him like a movie box. Moving on, we got 2 of these mason jars because I'm gonna make homemade dog treats for my parents' dogs, Tanner and Macy, and I'm gonna put them in these jars and maybe tie like a little ribbon around it or something and put like their name on it. I got these little bows for the gift wrapping. Get 52 of these tags. They're literally just stickers and you can like write on them. I always get these every year, and for this, for example, I could put them right on the jar lid or like on the side of the jar. We got 3 rolls of wrapping paper. I doubt we're gonna use all of it, but we got this cute little Christmassy one with like snowmen on it. This one has like a little red truck with a Christmas tree and like a dog that looks kind of like Cooper, so I had to get that one. Obviously we needed some tape. As like a little added present for like my mom and Ryan's mom, I got these cute little fuzzy slipper socks, and they're actually like really great quality. They're the Snugadoo brand. I thought these were so cute. Who doesn't love a good like fuzzy sock? They're literally so soft too. They're not like the crappy ones. They're actually nice. I also got Ryan's mom a little glittery sparkly loofah with this vanilla sugar scrub, and I like made sure that this is like a good smelling one, like a good quality one. Ryan got like a whole bunch of snacks, but I wanted to show you guys that the Alani new coffee is actually there. They have 3 flavors, vanilla, mocha, and maple donut or something, but for $1.25 that's pretty good. So they actually do have a really good book section too, and that's always a great gift to give someone. I personally love books, and they have cookbooks, the little hardcover like nice books. This one's an air fryer book, so it has like different recipes in there, and it's actually like really nice. Plus a lot of the time you can actually see on the actual book like how much it was selling for at like Barnes & Noble or something if you rip off like the tag that's over top. For example, this one is like hardcover. It's like a really nice book. This one's called Let's Face It, Secrets of Skincare. Sticker off here, and I could get it off better, but it's $27 normally. So for $1.25, I think I made out really well there. This book I got for my Grammy. It's about like the French and the Germans, like something about a girl in the war. My Grammy loves this kind of stuff, and it's not something that I would enjoy reading personally, but I know she likes books like this, and it would be a perfect add-on to the gifts that I already got her. I found this hardcover book for myself because I actually really like these kind of books. It's called Becoming a Dangerous Woman, and it's basically all about this woman named Pat Mitchell and how she basically turned her life around and became like a badass. Like, this is normally $28 and I got it for $1, so like don't have to think of like shopping at the Dollar Tree as like being cheap. Think of it as not working harder but working smarter, and like saving your money when you could literally go to Barnes & Noble and find the same book for like $30. So I also got this little jade roller. There's a lot of good things in the beauty section. Specifically is just a little jade roller, and I got it for Ryan's mom because I thought she would like something like that. You literally just put it in the fridge or freezer and you roll your face in the morning. Since I already got her like some stuff from Bath & Body, I figured that adding that kind of stuff to her present would be fitting. I got a ton of these lashes because if you guys are new here, I am obsessed with these lashes at the Dollar Tree. Brand is Ioni, and they look like this normally. Normally they only have this style. Today they had all kinds of different styles in the Ioni brand, so I got a ton of them. I got like all of the ones that I thought I would want to try because they're $1.25 each. They're reusable, by the way. Like, I've used a pair probably 3 to 4 times. They're literally almost as good as the Ardell lashes that are about $10 for 2 pairs, and I just got 8 pairs of lashes for like $10. Test things out and see what works, because sometimes you'll find gems and you'll save so much money. I'm gonna end this video here just because I have a lot of editing, cleaning, and I still have to eat dinner, and it's about 9:30 at night, so I wanna kind of just get situated. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Let me know how you're loving Vlogmas. I know I say that in like every video, but I'm genuinely curious. If you're here and you're watching, I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.